Smart Systems research in mechanical engineering encompasses the development of intelligent technologies capable of cognitive decision-making, autonomous operation by learning and adapting to its environment. Graduate studies at McMaster in Smart Systems offers a variety of opportunities for hands-on learning, access to state-of-the-art facilities, and opportunities for co-op and internship at local and international industry partners, including NASA, MDA Space, Adastra in Toronto, even Ford in the United States.
Our unique contribution is our engagement with industry, our facilities that we have, and the theoretical concepts that we have developed here that are unique internationally. Our graduate students typically spend between 4 to 8 months co-located at partner sites. That allows them to understand the problem that our industrial partners have, develop solutions, and be able to also integrate it on their subsystem. This is an invaluable experience that they gain.
As a mechanical engineering graduate student, I got the chance to work with Ford Motor Company on this exciting project of investigating smart sensors in the application of automotive systems. I was able to do my co-op with our industry partner, electrical vehicle manufacturer experts, Dana and France. I learned a lot there, and I was able to communicate with them some stuff that we learned and we apply in our lab in McMaster.
I really wanted to be able to transfer my skills from my background of mechanical engineering into a more diverse setting with a lot of artificial intelligence and machine learning.
Smart systems are going to revolutionize every aspect of our life.
As a grad student here with covering a variety of subjects, it's opened up a lot of career possibilities for me.